A few months ago, I did a video on an OTC stock that I said had the potential to be the next PayPal. And since then, this company has been proving that statement correct. You've guessed it. This company currently trades under the ticker symbol TSNP, but not for long. This company will be known as Humbl, Humbl, and this company will be a competitor of PayPal. So let's take a look at the chart to see exactly why I'm making this video so quickly this morning. So anyone who's been in this one since any of my earlier videos from all the way down here definitely know we've had a hell of a roller coaster ride since then, as you can see here in the chart. So if we take a look at the RSI down here right below the price chart, you would see that it's slowly starting to recover and creep right back up into a bullish trend. It is now sitting above the 70 RSI line, as well as the MACD histogram, as you can see here, is starting to reveal a bullish trend as well. That is because there is some news that this company is going to be releasing today that I will discuss later on in the video. But with all this being said, will we see another buy the rumor, sell the news type of deal, where the company rises up and then drops very sharply as they did back in December? I honestly do not believe this is going to be the case here. I believe that after this news comes out that the company is going to rise and it is going to continue to rise, but that is just my speculative opinion. I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. But after hearing a ton of bullish news as to where the company is going, as well as the heightened trends on Google with the company's name TSNP and Humbl being repeatedly searched, I believe that this company will see something different this time in stock price. But other than the chart, there's also other reasons as to why I've been watching this company. And two of those reasons would be the relationship with Block 30 Labs, as well as Digibyte, of which I am a huge investor of. So I'm gonna go into that later on in another video. But for right now, they're also doing other things that are really, really big moves in my opinion. And I really think this company is about to take off, and here's just a few of them. So recently on social media, the company released a photo of their brand on a billboard. This billboard was located in Mexico. That's important because if you watch my last video on this company, you would see that they had taken the advanced steps to make sure they had a successful transaction between Mexico and the United States. With that being said, they've taken their advertising strategies to the Mexican market. And as you can see, this road that this has been posted on looks like a pretty busy road. So you can expect a lot of people to catch an eyeball at this, especially if they have family members in the US. Because it can prove hard to get your money to your family members in a timeful manner when you're living in a different country such as Mexico. But besides that, there's also this. The Humbl Financial Wall Street to All Street billboard will be available from approximately 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Time. Please note that the NASDAQ banner underneath the Humbl Financial billboard is purely coincidental and does not imply any relationship or connection between Humbl and NASDAQ, nor does the billboard reflect the availability of Humbl financial products and services in the United States. So by seeing this, I believe the company is very confident in the direction that they're going, and I believe that investors should also be confident as well. And just to add the topping to the cake on all of this, the company has been doing a wonderful job at adding merchants for their Humbl Studios merchant listings, which holds a variety of great products. But with all that being said, the company will be holding their Q1 investors call today, January 22nd, and there is going to be a lot that's going to be discussed, guys. There's going to be quite a few YouTubers that are going to be live streaming this. I unfortunately will not be one of them, as I will be doing something else that I will be attending to, but I will be actively listening, and I may possibly get back to you guys on the matter depending on what is discussed. So with that being said, there is a lot in the forefront for this company, guys. I really think this company has great potential. Once again, guys, if you can get in, today may be your last chance to get in at the current price levels. But I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, so don't take it that way. But anyways, guys, I will see you in the next video. If you like my content, please think about subscribing. If you have any comments, please leave them in the comment section below and I'll get back to you. Anyways, I'll see you guys later.